The next use case for the rent lease system is for your vendors or your trusted parties. So these are people that you do not need to take down their credit card information or have a photo of their ID. You trust them. You can go ahead and add them as a vendor. So for this, you just take down their name. And then if you are setting up a MLS agent that you want to go ahead and be able to view your property, you would just click the realtor button. And what that does is it will have the vendor record the reason for their access to the lockbox when they call our vendor line. And then just click the never expire PIN, and this will allow them to use the same PIN for all future visits. So this is the PIN number here, this phone verification code. But essentially the way the vendor line works is that when vendors go out to the property, they will dial this 888 number here, which is our vendor phone line. On their first call, if you click the never expire PIN, they'll be prompted to enter in this phone verification code. From then on, we'll go ahead and remember their phone number. But again, on the first call, they're prompted to enter the phone verification code just so we can make sure that they're the ones you've granted access to your properties. Once they do that, they're prompted to enter in the serial number of the lockbox that's at the property. And then from there, we'll go ahead and give them the access code, which again lasts for 1 hour. If you need to share these instructions with your vendors, such as pasting these inside the vendor, the MLS showing instructions, you would just copy and paste this for them. Additionally, if you needed to email or text it to your vendors, we have the ability for you to do so using these 2 buttons here. And then on your vendors list, you can see all of your vendors and also determine what kind of access they have. So if you want them to just be able to access the key or also to unshackle the lockbox, you can do this here in this section as well. And then if you ever needed to see those vendor instructions again, just go ahead and click the name and it'll give you those instructions, as well as the access log. So every time a vendor has called from this company, has called the vendor phone line, you'll see that recorded on their name as well.